Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily enable or disable gesture control on your HOHEM iSteady M6. So what you guys need to do first is open up the HOHEM Joy app on your device and now click the camera button right here. As you guys can see, we need to click on this hand here, and here we can enable the gesture control. As you guys can see, we have the disable stop gesture, so we can only start shooting the video or start shooting photos. Here we have start face tracking or stop face tracking, and it's all done by either this camera or the device camera. Here you can also disable it, so you can use the stop gesture, or you can completely disable gesture control right here. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.